Hello. Welcome to the 5 Best Review. Here we bring the best brands for you after research so that you can make a smart purchasing decision. Today we presents the 5 best massage tables to buy in 2021. Before diving into today's product list, don't forget to hit the subscription button to stay updated. If you want to check further, links have been added in the description box. Let's get started. On top of our list, in first place we have the Earthlight Premium Portable Massage Table. Portable, attractive, and extremely strong, this popular Earthlight Spirit table checks all the boxes for what you need in an exceptional massage table. It's made of hardwood maple and reinforced with aircraft-grade steel cables, providing for excellent stability and a weight capacity of 800 pounds. The table comes with a spa-grade cushion filled with triple-wrapped foam for a 3-inch layer of padding, and the included face cradle with pillow can be adjusted for optimal comfort. The NatureSoft upholstery adds to the luxurious feel and is also easy to clean. The Spirit table also comes with a carrying case, as well as a lifetime limited warranty on the frame and a 3-year warranty on the cushion and upholstery. A few reviewers mention it's a bit heavy to carry, but most agree it packs up easily for transport. Features: complete, luxury massage table package. Spa-level comfort. Lifetime limited warranty. Moving to the next one of the list. In the second position we have the Saloniture Professional Portable Folding Massage Table. Saloniture offers a budget-friendly option when it comes to a basic massage table that's super portable. Supported by high-quality steel cables and double-tension knobs on each leg, the lightweight yet sturdy hardwood frame can hold up to 450 pounds. The ultra-padded, high-density foam, along with the adjustable headrest and removable armrests, provide plenty of support and comfort. With a simple fold-and-carry design, this table is a cinch to set up and break down. When packing it up, you can lock it securely with 2 professional chrome clasps and grab the double handles for easy transport. Also included is a durable, nylon carrying case with shoulder straps and pockets. Features: premium comfort, convenient and portable, oil and waterproof. Coming up next. In third place we have the Healthline Massage Products Massage Table Bed. If you perform other spa treatments, in addition to massages, a regular flat massage table just isn't going to cut it. This table from Healthline has 3 adjustable sections so you can position clients perfectly for all types of services. The backrest can recline between 0 and 40 degrees, and the lower 2 sections can be adjusted to elevate clients' legs when necessary, rather than using bolsters. This table also comes with an adjustable face cradle, face pillow, and removable armrests that can be adjusted based on height. The table's 2-inch thick high-density foam is extremely comfortable and covered in a soft PU leather that's oil and water resistant. Keep in mind, this table is not portable, but it's a versatile option for a stationary massage table. Features: angle adjustable backrest and leg rest provide more comfort. Lower 2 sections has 7 different adjustable levels. Different angle adjustment. Now moving to the number 4. Master Massage Del Rey Pro Portable Massage Table. The Master Massage Del Rey Pro Massage Table comes with a unique design that was made to relax the shoulders. It features a contoured armrest positioned under the face cradle so users can place their arms comfortably, plus it can be adjusted for height, and the face cradle can be lifted up or down. Expect your package to arrive folded and ready for use. It takes about 10 minutes to set it up, and the carrying case comes with 2 convenient pockets to store stuff. The things people like the most about this table are the comfort it provides and ease of maintenance. The cushioning is made of small cell foam that is denser than standard foam. The upholstery is water resistant, oil resistant, and reinforced with a denim-like backing so it should last longer than standard models. Features: highly adjustable, ergonomic face cradle, smart armrest. In the 5th position we have the Sierra Comfort All-Inclusive Portable Massage Table. The Sierra Comfort All-Inclusive is a very effective massage table, despite its low price. This model is made out of beech hardwood, and it's very durable and stable during the massage session. A great thing about this model is that it comes at a cheap price. This makes the all-inclusive the go-to product for people who are just starting to learn different massage techniques, such as students or massage enthusiasts. All in all, this model still manages to offer a comfortable massage experience even though it comes at a cheap price. The massage table comes with helpful accessories, so you won't have to spend money on them. Features: water and oil resistant PU leather upholstery, threaded support bar for added stability and safety, adjustable height. Thanks for being with the 5 best review throughout this video. We hope that you have already made up your mind for the right best massage tables. Do comment if you have any query and don't forget to share it with a friend. See you guys in the next video.